The first lab session for us is to collected the water sample. The water sample was collected at nearby drain at our university campus. We have tested the pH value for 3 times at different locations before collecting the water sample. We also collected the turbidity value. These value will be used in pH test and turbidity test experiment. The main objectives of this experiment is to determine the chemical oxygen demand and amount of ammoniacal nitrogen in water sample. For ammoniacal nitrogen test, we need to prepare the sample by adding 3 drops of mineral stabilizer, polyvinyl alcohol, and Nessler reagent. After that, we will put the sample into drive 6000 for obtaining ammoniacal nitrogen value. In this experiment, we need to prepare the sample and place it in the reactor for 2 hours. After that, we obtain the C0D value from DR600 spectrophotometer. COD is widely used in measure of the susceptibility to oxidation of the organic and inorganic materials present in water bodies. For BioD experiment, the objectives is to measure the amount of oxygen needed to stabilize organic matter. For this experiment, we need to determine if our sample is in the range of pH. In our experiment, our wastewater is in the range, and after that we prepared 7 different bottles of buffer solution and different volume of our water sample. We also prepare for blank sample. Next we need to keep the bottle in the incubator for 3 days. The BOD value was recorded before and after the sample has been in the incubator. For experiment jar, pH and turbidity test. First we need to measure the pH and turbidity value for the water sample. Then we need to fill 6 different jar and add coagulant for 6 jar. Then place the 6 jar in the styre for 23 minutes. After the process we need to take pH and turbidity value. In total suspended solid and total dissolved solid experiment. Solid refers to matter suspended or dissolved in water or wastewater. Solid analyses are important in the control of biological and physical wastewater treatment process and for assessing compliance with regulatory agency wastewater effluent limitation. This experiment contributed to determine the weight of the suspended solids and dissolved solids in wastewater.